Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the long tail cast on method for knitting. So to get started, you want to pull your yarn so you have a long tail and make a slip stitch. Like so. Again, I'll show you. You wrap your yarn around your finger and then pull it through, creating a little slip stitch or slip knot. Next, you put that on your needle, and we're going to wrap the yarn over and under our pinky and then over our pointer finger. Then you will hold that long tail with your pinky and ring finger and then loop your thumb over under the tail string. So let's do this all again. Over, under. You can see how I have that yarn with the tail with my last two fingers and then my thumb like so. And what you'll want to do is take your needle and draw it up from the base of your thumb. So your needle is going to be doing most of the work here. So you're going to go down, draw your needle up through your thumb and that string. Now at this point, you don't want to let go of your yarn like this, or else you're going to end up actually creating your cast on with the long tail, and that's actually not what we're wanting to do for this tutorial. So what we will do here is we'll get the yarn situated. So you're going to go up your thumb and draw down your finger and loop that string through the string in your thumb and then pull your thumb to tighten it. So again, it's up and through, down and through. You'll grab that string and then take your thumb and pull it taut. Up, down, through. Bloop. Again, up, down, through. Bloop. Up, down, through. Bloop. Up, down, through. Up, down, through. And as you go, you'll end up getting this really nice motion for casting on. So the point of this long tail is what you end up doing is when you go up, down, and through, what you're actually doing is you're securing the tail as you go, and it creates a nice smoother edge to your work. So when you let go, you kind of see that portion that I was touching with my thumb creates a nice edge for your cast on. So up, down, through, up, down, through, and up, down, through. And there you have it. That's how you do a long tail knit cast on. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.